Hey everybody, today I'm working on a 12 by 16 canvas and I've got some colors that I just want to use up. They're from a previous pour and I mixed FolkArt white pearl with these colors and they turned out really pretty. So these are the colors that I've got. I've got this one here and this one is from the Fine Touch and it's just green. And then I've got this one, and this is the Fine Touch phthalo turquoise. And then this one here is Dioxazine purple from Liquitex Basics. Another one from Liquitex Basics is medium magenta. And then this one right here is from Artist Loft, and it's phthalo blue. And let's see, this one's really pretty. I used Artist Loft quinacridone magenta, and then this one here is pretty yellow, and it's from Liquitex, and it's cadmium free yellow medium. And I just took a little bit of the FolkArt white pearl and mixed it in a little bit with each color, and it turned out really pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my gloves on and then I will be able to get started. Okay guys, so I got my gloves on, and what I'm gonna be doing today is a flip cup on a spatula. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start putting the paint in the cup, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of the white pearl in there. Then I'm gonna start, the next color is the quinacridone magenta, and I'm just gonna try to use all of these colors. I'm not sure if they'll all fit in the cup, but I just want to get rid of them. Okay, and then I'm gonna go with the Dioxazine purple. This one feels like it's thickened up a bit. All right. And then the phthalo turquoise. They actually have been sitting for a few days, so I didn't really even stir them. Probably should have, but I didn't. So we're gonna see what happens. Anyway, all these colors are mixed with my pouring medium, which is Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol, and water. And I'm not adding any silicone. Just gonna see what happens naturally. I'm not using all that green though. All right, one more, and it's the, maybe there's not much. Okay, that's really thick. That just like clumped in there. So I'm not sure how that one's gonna go. All right, and then I'm just gonna top it off with a little bit of that. And I'm just gonna set that like this. Put a little bit of the white pearl in the corner here, and then put some here. And then I'm just gonna flip this on top like that, okay? All right guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go to the corner a little bit more and kind of just lift it a little bit at a time. Okay guys, so it's been about a half an hour and I'm going to take you in for a closer look. I love this ripple-like effect. It looks really cool. And then I got these cool cells through the middle. They almost remind me of lily pads. They're different shape, or clovers, a couple of them. It's very cool. And I love the way these colors blended. I just think it looks fabulous. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to see how this dries. All right, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so here's the painting all dry. I'm gonna take you in for a closer look so you can see how beautiful these colors are. They just blended so nice, and they're so vibrant. Oh my gosh, they look so pretty. And there's those cells. All these cells that are on here I think were created by the air bubbles from when I lifted it. So pretty cool. That's probably why they look a little different. But this painting reminds me of the Aurora Borealis, just with those ripples and the swirls up there. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. All right, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, check out my links in my description, and have a great day.